Introducing JessEm's new precision-engineered Paralign doweling system. JessEm's new Paralign doweling system includes the adjustment key, indexing pin, and the extension bars. The jig itself has laser engraved markings on the side to ensure proper location of the reference block. The V-groove adjustment system ensures parallel alignment of your dowels. The Paralign doweling system can be configured to drill in the face of your workpiece. By changing the orientation of the clamping block, you can drill on the edge or end of your work. We're going to drill a multi-hole dowel configuration, and the first step is to change the location of the reference block. Alignment is easy using the etched lines on the side of the jig. We're setting the jig to the edge of the work and then clamping it in position. We're drilling 3 holes here, and then we're going to index the jig to the next position. Using one of the holes drilled previously and the indexing pin, we're moving the jig to the next position. Drill that last hole and the first row is done. We're readjusting the reference block here to provide a center row of dowel holes. We added a 3rd row and the joint is complete. A perfect fit. Now we're going to change the location of the clamping block for drilling on the face of our work. After removing the clamping block from the jig itself, we reattach it to the reference block. We're all set now for drilling our dowels. We put the Paralign doweling jig on our work, and we're using a combination square to space the jig in an extra 1/8 of an inch. Clamp in position and we're ready to go. We're just drilling 2 dowel holes for this joint. We reoriented the jig now to drill on the end of the mating board. We wanted the joint stepped an 1/8 of an inch back from the surface. It's very easy to do with the Paralign doweling system. Now we're going to do a more common doweling job. We're going to join 2 boards using the extension bars and the indexing pin. First we line the jig up to the edge of the board and pop in a couple holes. We preset the location of the indexing block 6 inches away from the previous dowel. Dropping in the indexing pin, retightening the jig, and drilling the next series of holes. With all the holes drilled now, we're ready for assembly. A perfect and strong, seamless joint. The Paralign doweling system is simple to use for even the beginner woodworker, and it's an effective way to create strong, fast woodworking joinery.